Replacement Components has all your indoor air quality needs covered with both factory-authorized parts and Totaline aftermarket parts and supplies. Our extensive IAQ lineup includes ultraviolet air quality solutions. Mounted inside the HVAC system, these germicidal lights direct purifying UV light to the indoor coil and drain pan, primary locations for microbial growth. Our UVC germicidal lights are energy efficient and help keep your cooling coil clean, which can improve cooling efficiency. Single or double lamp models are available. The lamps will need replacing once a year, and they're covered by a 90-day limited warranty. The entire unit is covered for 5 years. Now more than ever, your customers rely on you for indoor air quality solutions for their customers. Count on Replacement Components for the right options for your customers' needs. See our full line of IAQ products and learn more about ultraviolet air quality solutions at rchvacparts.com/IAQ.